Let's dive into how to get started with the application and explore its key features. Once you've signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your central hub where you can see a summary of your activities and office statistics at a glance. If your account is brand new, the dashboard might appear empty at first, but don't worry, it will fill up as you begin to use the application. Depending on your permissions, you may have access to sections like My Review Dates or Case Statistics. These features are only visible if your account is authorized to view them. If you don't have access to any dashboard sections, you'll be seamlessly directed to the next area you're authorized to see upon signing in. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the navigation panel, your main tool for exploring the application. This panel provides easy access to all major features and tools. One of the most frequently used features is the search function. Clicking the search button opens the search cases window where you can quickly locate specific cases. Type in your search term, press enter, and the results will display instantly. For even faster access, use the shortcut Ctrl+Space from anywhere in the application to bring up the search window in an instant. To close the search window, simply press the Escape key or click anywhere outside the window. The navigation panel also houses the Admin section, which is designed for managing advanced application settings. This area is tailored for specific users and will be covered in detail in a separate series of tutorials. At the bottom of the navigation panel, you'll find your avatar. Clicking on it takes you to your account page, where you can customize your profile and preferences. This is also where you'll find video tutorials that guide you through every aspect of LawOffice.ai. Additionally, the navigation panel features a control button at the bottom, allowing you to expand or collapse it. You can adjust the panel to optimize your screen space based on your workflow preferences. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Office Accounts panel. This panel provides a comprehensive view of all user accounts, showing who's online at a glance. Active accounts are marked with a green dot, making it easy to identify who is currently available. You can even click on any account to send a direct message from this panel. Like the navigation panel, the Accounts panel also features a control button at the bottom, so you can expand or collapse it depending on your needs. And that's it for this quick overview. In the next tutorial, we'll take a deeper look at each section of the navigation panel to help you unlock the full potential of the application.